Hey, my name is Atishay Jain and I am glad to share my journey with you. I am originally from Alwar, Rajasthan and am currently pursuing my degree in BBA Digital Marketing at Jagannath University, Delhi. I am in second year recently in Jagannath University, Delhi. The best thing about the college is the vibrant campus life, the supportive faculties and the cutting edge facilities. Now let's talk about my journey with CollegeDekho Assured. It's been a quiet ride. I enrolled in the program because I was having a prior knowledge about the digital marketing and I wanted more of the career support and industrial exposure in the market. The best thing about the program is the personalized mentorship, the skill-based workshop and many such other things. My message to all the new students out there is feel free to reach out Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, any inquiries navigating your new academic presence. Your professors, your seniors and I here are always here to support you on your every step. Get ready for a transformed and an enriched experience, and we all are waiting to see your unique collaborations in our vibrant community. Thank you.